Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss a very important update from Google Ads. Google is now rolling out a new feature called channel controls for all demand gen campaigns, giving advertisers more control. As you know, demand gen campaigns run on networks like YouTube, Gmail, Discover, GDN. Till now, we were not able to select the platform we wanted to serve our ads or to control or allocate the spend. But now with channel controls, you can select each channel that you want your ads to be served on. Let's take an example. I'm going to create a new campaign here. New campaign. And as usual, I will go with create a campaign without a goals guidance. And here I'm going to select demand gen because that's where the update is. I'm going to go with continue here. And start new. And you will see two campaign goals, which is conversions or clicks. You can select either one of them. Just going to go with clicks and just going to go with, let's say, 50 rupees. It's asking for minimum 416. So 416 rupees per day. I'm going to keep the end date open for now. Location and language. It's okay. Devices, it really depends on if you want your ads to be served only on mobile phones, only on tablets, only on TV screens, or only on computers, or all of them. If you have a product which you want to be advertised only on mobile phones, then you can by all means just select mobile phones. You can also select operating systems from these options here, right? So if you are, for example, selling any Android products, then you're better off selecting Android. Depends really on the use case. And then you have networks, and these are the Wi-Fi networks. Depending on which country you're on, let's say on Australia, you have these network types, and let's say in China you have these, so on. How do you want to schedule? Do you want to schedule all days, or if you want to have selective days, for example Monday to Friday, let's say, where your team is working, let's say from 9 a.m. till 7 p.m. you can select this, third-party measurement, etc. So I'm just going to go to ad group now. You can select the country over here, select the language here from one of these, add an audience type if you want. All right, and scroll down, and here under channels, missed it below the languages, you have the channels. Now as you can see, this is in beta stage, meaning that it is still being rolled out slowly and steadily. It is still under testing by Google, because this was only launched or declared only last month, in the month of March 2025, right? So all channels, so your ad will be shown across all eligible Google channels driving campaign performance. You can even include Google Display Network if you want to now. So GDN network, which is a very, very vast network of platforms or websites. Otherwise, allow me to choose, or let me choose, your ad will be served to only eligible channels of your choice. So let's say you want your ads to be only on YouTube, only on Discover, only on Gmail, or only on GDN, Google Display Network. So I'm going to, let's say, remove these three options, and I'm just going to go with YouTube Shorts, for example. All right. So you can see the number of impressions have come down. So if you have a Shorts video, which is equivalent to a Reels video on Instagram or Facebook, then by all means just show your ads on YouTube Shorts. Otherwise, you can show it on YouTube InStream, YouTube InFeed, or if you're targeting only Discover, you can go with Discover. Only Gmail, you can only go with this. Google Display Network only, it's your choice. So this option, which is the channels control, Google is allowing you to control the channel that you want. Previously this was not available, and you had absolutely no control where your ads will be served, how much spend you want to allocate, so now with this option being rolled out now, it's important, and it's good that we have a choice. All right, so we will see how these campaigns go by this channel control, and I'll be running some campaigns to test how this is working with the performance, with the metrics, etc. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one.